I know nothing about it. I turned my thinking on to make sure it's aligned with yours. I'm obviously doubtful, how could anyone turn my opinion round? I'm trying to understand what all the fuss is about. If I admit to myself, I build my love around all the lovers, paint a pretty little picture inside my head, yeah. While all the other ones pick a little image out for themselves, yeah. I'm willfully uninformed on many matters, but the words come tumbling through. I know I'm only human, but I'm proudly fallible. While you're trying to understand all the fuss is about, if I could think for myself, would I build my love around all the lovers, paint a pretty little picture inside my head, yeah. While all the other ones pick a little image out for themselves, yeah. I know nothing, but I know it all. And if I am wrong, I'm only human, but I'll turn my opinion round. I'll try to understand what all the fuss is about. I'll think for myself and build my love around all the lovers, paint a pretty little picture inside my head, yeah. While all the other ones pick a little image out for themselves, yeah.
Full time lapses like this one and other Hubbard Wood projects that you're gonna want to see. Make sure you smash that subscribe so you can see stuff like this cool hummingbird, and just who knows what we'll come up with next or what somebody will commission us to do next. Anyway, it's awful foxy out here. I mean, that's a fox. Click the subscribe, like, tell all your friends, share it. That's what helps us. It's free advertisement. If you share it, it tells all your friends. And, yeah, helps us keep carving out a living here in Hillsboro, Illinois. So, till next time, peace.